Camp Nou is entering the most exciting chapter of its transformation. After years of rebuilding, the legendary stadium is finally revealing its new era. From the fully completed pitch and the newly finished dressing rooms prepared for the players, to the stunning facade installation bringing the stadium's exterior to life, and the massive roof project ahead that will complete this historic vision. Every corner of Camp Nou is moving closer to its final form. But one crucial decision will determine when Barcelona can finally return home. One of the biggest transformations inside the stadium can now be seen as the natural grass-playing surface has been fully installed. The pitch is essentially complete, with only the final mowing pattern, line markings, and goal installation remaining before it reaches its match-ready appearance. This marks another significant step as the stadium continues moving closer to operational readiness. Work on the third tier also continues to make excellent progress. Concrete seating steps have now been completed across almost the entire stadium, providing the foundation for future seat installation. Meanwhile, construction remains active on the surrounding structural elements and upper-level access areas, keeping the next phase of finishing work steadily on track. As the stadium continues to evolve, the lateral side is revealing some of its biggest changes. 2 of the 3 iconic diamond structures are now completely free of scaffolding, while the third is entering the final stage of removing its temporary supports. One of the most impressive reveals inside the stadium is the new home dressing room, which is now almost ready for its official debut. The men's and women's team areas, located opposite each other, are fully finished with clean and organized locker zones, only needing a few final touches. The facilities also include player meeting areas, showers, hydrotherapy pools, and recovery spaces, creating a complete environment prepared for the team's return. The south stand is becoming more impressive with every update, as the ceramic facade panels now look stunning in front of the structural cores. Looking closer at the central curve, crews continue working around the cores after completing the sandwich panels, with the focus now shifting to the superstructure and connecting walkways before the ceramic panels can be installed. Activity also continues around the VIP ring, where preparations on the second level and future facade panel anchors are steadily moving forward. One of today's most exciting moments unfolds as Tower Crane number 5 lifts another compression ring segment high above Barcelona. The piece is carefully guided toward its final position, while work continues symmetrically across both the north and south stands. The installation process has also become noticeably faster, with crews using their growing experience to position each segment with remarkable precision. As the piece is aligned, workers carefully guide it into place before securing it with the first bolts, bringing the compression ring steadily closer to completion, potentially by late September or early October if the current pace continues. To better understand the next phase of construction, because this operation requires heavy machinery on the pitch, the playing surface and seating will first need to be removed. After the lift is complete, crews will begin installing the roof panels and solar panels, bringing the stadium close to completion by late 2027 or early 2028. Meanwhile, work on the wider Espai Barça development will continue. And it's worth noting that the roof design has evolved significantly over the years, with the latest render reflecting the final version of the project. The second overhang is finally showing much more activity, with crews making visible progress on the structural framing for future walls, restrooms, and hospitality areas. Alongside the ongoing work around the structural cores and stairways connecting level 45 to the third overhang, preparations are also advancing for the first sandwich panels in this section, with scaffolding already in place to support their installation. Elsewhere along the lateral side, finishing work continues on the newly rendered walls, while the most significant progress remains inside the VIP ring. The transformation is accelerating as the new Camp Nou facade installation enters another exciting phase. Facade panels are now being installed across multiple sections, gradually covering exposed structural elements and giving the stadium a cleaner, more finished appearance. Each panel is carefully lifted, aligned, and secured to ensure a precise fit. Beyond its modern look, the facade is designed to improve durability, ventilation, weather protection, and energy efficiency. As installation continues, more areas of the stadium are beginning to reveal the final architectural vision. Interior work inside the future commercial area continues moving forward at a steady pace. Construction crews are also advancing interior service installations while preparing the spaces for future fit-out work. Utility installations, service infrastructure, and interior finishing works are becoming increasingly visible throughout the retail spaces beneath the stadium. Although these units are still under construction, the overall layout of the future shopping and hospitality zone is now clearly taking shape. In the north goal corner, crews are carrying out detailed adjustment work on the recently installed ceramic lamella to ensure every facade element is perfectly aligned. Using elevated platforms, workers are tightening fixings, checking connections, and inspecting each support before installation continues further along the corner. These precision finishing tasks are an important part of the facade process, ensuring the ceramic cladding meets both structural and visual quality standards before additional sections are completed. Installation of the protective pipe network beneath the corner cantilever continues to expand with long pipe sections, now extending across a larger portion of the structure. These components form part of the stadium's infrastructure and prepare the area for future safety systems and additional construction work as progress advances along the corner. Another key area showing rapid progress is the tribune, where crews are working at full pace to complete the future VIP entrance ahead of the stadium's opening match. At the same time, the latest panoramic view reveals that around 7.5 mobility cores are now fully covered, leaving only 2.5 still awaiting completion. And finally, the news that every Barcelona fan needs to hear clearly and completely, because it represents one of the most significant and most consequential decisions that the club has made regarding the Camp Nou renovation timeline. FC Barcelona has formally asked La Liga for permission to play the entire first half of the 2027-2028 season away from the Spotify Camp Nou. The club has requested that it be allowed to use the Estadi Olympic Luis companies for those matches, a return to the temporary home that Barca fans are already familiar with from the renovation period that preceded the partial reopening of the camp. Now, the reason for this request is the roof installation. The massive and extraordinarily complex operation of installing the new Camp Nou roof is scheduled to take place between June and October 2027. A 4-month window during which the stadium will need to be vacated entirely to allow the roof installation teams the space, the access, and the uninterrupted working conditions that an engineering project of this scale and this complexity absolutely demands. You cannot install a roof of this magnitude over an occupied stadium. The whole ground needs to be clear. Now here is the really important detail that distinguishes this decision from a simple operational necessity. It is also a deliberate act of caution from the club. The roof installation is estimated to take approximately 4 months, June to October. That window, if everything goes exactly to plan, could allow the stadium to reopen for the second half of the 2027-2028 season. But Barcelona is not willing to risk that second half reopening being disrupted by delays that push the roof completion beyond October. The roof is worth waiting for. The completed camp now is worth the first half of one season at the Olympic. And when the doors of the fully finished, fully roofed, fully magnificent new Camp Nou open for the second half of the 2027-2028 season, every moment of that temporary sacrifice is going to be vindicated completely and permanently. Camp Nou's transformation is closer to its final chapter, with every step bringing Barcelona's new home closer to reality. The final challenge remains ahead. But one thing is certain, the wait for the completed Camp Nou will define one of the most ambitious stadium projects in football history. What do you think? Will the new Camp Nou become everything Barca fans have been waiting for?